Here's a mid-morning update. We got down here on this farm. See the decoy right there. We got hit really good. There was no tree set up on the track. We got hit really good up here so we can get out to go to church for Easter. We got a bird gobbling. He's gobbled 3 times right over there, about 300 yards. He's hot. I don't know if he's got hands or not. They ain't been gobbling good, so guess we'll say he just gobbled right before we turn the camera on. We're gonna try to send one at him. We got the Higdon. We're sponsored by Higdon. Got it out there.
Sure enough.
Oh, Nate Russell's filming. But yeah, that we're gonna give you an update here in a little while. Wish us luck. Alright, here's the update. There's a gobbler straight that way to the left. Probably. I don't know. He's probably 400, a little bit farther than we thought. We just heard another gobbler straight across, right on the tree line. I mean, down straight across. We think there's